Okay, now in today's lesson is your fractions ratio percentage masterclass. I am not introducing any new question type. In fact, I'm doing a revision of all the past key question types that I've exposed you guys with. Raymond used $3 less than 2. Okay, some students will ask me what is the bracket for. The bracket is for you guys to write down the question type. Okay, Ken? Now, initially when I first taught this question type, a common mistake, what they will do is they will make 9 and 5 the same. They will make, when they see two fractions, they like to make 9 and 5 the same. Or the denominator the same, right? Now, do not do that. The only time I will make it the same is when, first, the two fractions, the denominator, the two fractions, right, it refers to the same subject. Okay, both referring to the money. But this one is 2/9 of his money. This is 2/5 of the remaining money. So first, different subjects. Second, did they say the remaining money and the total money at first is equal? Okay, or you know, at least they mentioned as equal in value. Then I will make it the same. Okay, but definitely not for this question. Okay, so yes, I know a lot of students, some of you guys might use the branching method, right, Ken? But now, okay, because I feel that, right, the branching method, not every student can appreciate that. But if I were to use the units and parts top-down model approach, almost all my students will be able to appreciate that, even those, for those of you who prefer to use the branching. Okay, Ken? The reason why I will be using the model approach is because I think it's useful when it comes to checking. And this is only 2 levels. But you know, I see questions that have, like, you know, more than 3 levels, 4 levels even, for different branching. It can be quite confusing. So I will be using the model approach instead. Okay, Ken? All right, now let's look at question 1 together. Okay, now, why do I call this units and parts? Okay, because this 9 refers to the total money, and this 5 refers to the remaining money, different subject. So this 9 is 9 units, 5 is 5 parts of the remainder. Okay, do not copy blindly, listen to my annotation, please. Okay, so this 9 units here refers to total money, right? So you see, look at my first layer, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 units of the total money. All right. Out of this 9 units of the total money, I spent how much on the toy car? I did not spend 2 units. Did I spend 2 units? Look. Okay, if I were to cancel this $3 less than, yes, I agree it would be 2 units. I agree it would be 2 units. But everybody, look up. It is $3 less than 2 units. So which means 2 units low, and then you move backwards by 3. That value here is 3. So 2 units minus 3, that will be the amount spent on the toy car. Okay, I will encourage you guys to listen before you guys like copy or whatsoever. Okay, Ken? More importantly, you need to understand what I'm doing here. Okay, Ken? Now next, this part here would be the remainder. Am I right? That would be the remainder. Okay, remainder is how many parts? Can we see? This is 5. Right? So dotted lines down. Let me draw. This is your remainder. Same subject, what? So the value must be the same. So same size, okay? Same size, that would be 5 parts. Now, out of these 5 parts, ladies and gentlemen, how much did he spend on the cake? He spent $7 less than 2 units. So $7 less than 2 parts. So 2 parts here of the remainder, and then you move backwards by 7. Is this all right, guys? So this is the amount that she spent on the cake, and then the remainder would be $34. Is this all right so far? Understand what I'm doing with the model? Okay, I have not explained any of the workings down there. Okay, I will explain in a bit. But you need to follow me and understand what I'm doing here for my model first. Okay, this is $34 left. This $34 includes the $7 here, right? So in order for us to find the value of 1 part, I think we will have to find out the value of these 3 parts first. And that would be $34 minus $7. That would be $27, okay? So 3 parts here is $27, all right? One part would be 27 divided by 3, and that would be $9. How much did Raymond spend on the 2 items? Let's find out the cake first. The cake would be equals to, okay, what I did is to find out what is 2 parts, and then minus 7. And that would be 18 minus 7, $11 for the cake. Okay, $11 for the cake. Okay, how did teacher Christina get $45? $34 is this part. The cake we found out is $11, right? So 34 plus 11, that would be $45. $45 is the remainder. Okay? From here to here is 45. We need to find out what is the value of one toy car. Gentle reminder, 1 unit is not equal to 1 part here. So you look at the $45 there that I've written. This $45 includes the $3 over at your first layer, your first level. So $45, you minus away $3 to get a value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Is this all right? So 7 units is equals to $45 minus away this 3. Okay, it's 42. From here to here. 1 unit would be $6. 2 units is 12. 12 minus 3, that would be the value of the toy car, which is $9. Okay, $9 is for the toy car. How much did he spend on the 2 items? That would be $11 plus $9. And ta-da! We get the answer already.